Kids ages 12 to 19 have the highest incidence of childhood obesity. And we really challenged ourselves to say, how do we bring some products to market that can appeal to that group? And the competition we have is fierce. We have all of the screens and the devices, and we need to get those kids, those teenagers, outdoors and give them the opportunity to get a great workout, to get exercise outdoors, and to have fun while doing it. When we came here to Apex for our demonstration site, what we found was it's not only that age group, we're seeing families of all ages here. We designed the Elevate Fitness course to be very versatile so that we can offer a number of different course obstacle combinations to fit every budget and available space. There are more than 11 unique obstacles in Elevate that challenge every part of your body and fitness level.
This is the wall clinger. The wall clinger is the highlight of the Burke Elevate Fitness course. The wall clinger tests your fitness at many different levels. It's reminiscent of a lot of the Ninja Warrior type of courses, so it's very exciting for all of the users to conquer and move up levels. It works your legs, your core, your upper body. It's really probably the event that has the most strength and fitness.
And there's a variety of ways and challenge levels to use this, but it's the finishing obstacle on most of the courses, and it's just an incredible workout when you get to the end of the course.
This is the doorknob jam. This was designed purposely with 3 levels in mind, so you could traverse the outside, you can go across the monkey bars, or for level 3, you can move across on the outside, work on your grip strength, upper body, shoulders, and back.
Communities are really starting to see the return on their investment. And Apex is a great example where we are today. They're investing in the Elevate Fitness course, in playgrounds, in recreation trails, and folks want to move here because of it. If you have someone, a kid or an adult, that maybe is not very athletic or their fitness level is not very advanced, they can start at a lower level, and there's a series of exercises and activities, even games that they can do on that event. If someone comes out here and is fitness mature, they can challenge themselves by going up another level, or 2 levels, or 3 levels. And they can do that over a period of time where they can really see a progression and an advancement. And we know through our research that we love to get that sense of achievement or accomplishment, and Elevate provides that opportunity.